...2018 Ford Escape Titanium 2.0 turbo, and this one's an all-wheel drive. Now, before you think that I'm here to bash this car, let me be clear that this car has been good for the last, well, we've had it for 4.5 years. It's been flawless. It's been great. It's been a good trip car. It's been a good family car. It's quick. It's incredibly quick off the line. I mean, you wouldn't believe that it was, you know, that quick. It'll pretty much dust any other SUV off the line. And, you know, some cars it'll dust off. But, like any good Ford out of warranty, it's starting to show its ass. 90,000 miles. And it has developed a misfire on cold startup. We're gonna plug in our trusty old Matco scanner. See what codes we got in here. P0301 and P0301. Now, let's get that beeping to stop. Little backstory also. So, I took the car out a couple nights ago. Me and some friends went out to eat. And so we get back in the car, and it's a little chilly. So I hit the heat, and it's blowing cold. I mean, the car's up to temp, but it's blowing cold. So, I mean, that tells me that the coolant's low, right? But why? The coolant shouldn't be low unless there's a problem, because cars don't consume coolant if they are in good working order. So next morning I checked the coolant, and sure enough, it's well below where it should be. So the reservoir is empty. So I did some research, found out that hopefully y'all can hear me now. Hopefully you could hear me before. But I did some research and found out that basically it needs a new engine. Once that happens, you get this code, this P0301, P0302, 303, 304, and you get coolant loss. They recommend replacing the whole engine, which is $8,000 out of warranty. So I have no intention of paying $8,000. So we're gonna try to fix it a different way. All right. So the product I'm gonna be using today is a stop leak. Now I'm not being paid by this company, but I have heard that this is the best one. Okay, so take that how you want to take it. That's what I'm gonna be putting in the car. Alright, so first thing I want to do is I need to get that level down. So like I said, I added some fluid the next morning after we went out, and you couldn't see anything in here. It was way down here in the tube. But since I added some, now I need to drain some out so I can put the stop leak in there, and then add some more in there, and hopefully it'll mix in a little bit better, a little quicker. So I'm gonna try and drain some of that out right now. So give me a minute. Okay, so this reservoir is just sitting in here on a couple of push mounts, basically. So you can actually just pull it right up off of those mounts. I've already loosened it up, so it's not gonna be this easy, but it's not hard. Pull it up off of those mounts. Pull it up to like around this point. Then you can take this cap off, and if you got a bucket, I got a drain pan, so I'm just gonna take the cap off. I'm just gonna dump it right in there. Okay? So we'll do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the reservoir empty. Gonna go ahead and add my stuff. It says shake well, pour in. Then we'll top it back off with coolant to the proper level. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Too much of a mess. See where we are. Add a little bit more just to get it right. All right. That should do it for now. Go ahead and put our cap back on. And the directions say to idle the car for 15 to 20 minutes after you have put in your system stop leak. So we're going to do that. Fire this baby back up. Let it idle. And hopefully that's going to stop the problem and save us $8,000. Like I say, this car has been really good. Unlike this pig here, that car has been a nightmare since we got it. Brand new. So hopefully y'all learned something today. Like I say, this is a very expensive repair if this does not work. It's $8,000 for a new engine. Which is ridiculous, and it's a known problem, another known problem that Ford is trying to sweep under the rug. But hopefully I've given some light. As long as you catch it in time, it should work. I'm gonna keep you updated and let you know how it's working out. But hopefully from my pocket, it's gonna work. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.